you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I've got a $40 grocery haul today for you. Now, $40 doesn't get you a lot, but I'm going to show you what I got and how I used that to make it go farther than you think. All right, come on, let's take a look. We're going to start from the left to the right. Now, I got a gallon of milk because let's face it, milk, you can use this for a lot of things. Cream sauces, cereals, breakfast, to drink, smoothies, other things, yeah. Then I got some strawberry kiwi juice and some guava mango. Now I use this to make my ginger shots. This is just to stretch it out and smooth it so you can drink it, because drinking pure ginger juice, no, you can't do it. Just can't do it. Speaking of ginger, I got plenty. This stuff keeps you healthy, gets rid of inflammation, and settles your stomach. Then I got some onions. We can make all kind of things with this. Salads, gravies, soups, you name it. Casseroles, the list goes on. Then I got some low sodium bacon. This I'm going to use for breakfast. I'm also going to use it for my soups and to flavor my beans, also greens and cabbage. Then I got some garlic, which I'm going to use to flavor all my dishes. I got some shrimp and crab ravioli. This is nice. It's low sodium, and it's enough to make several meals, and I can keep it frozen and use it as I go, which I love. Then I got some cuties. These are a great snack to nibble on. Keeps you thin, keeps you healthy, keeps your vitamin C up. I can also juice these and add them to my ginger shots. I can make smoothies with them, or I can put them in a salad, which is really good. Then I got, of course, I had to get a quick coffee thing. I got that. That's my splurge. I'll put this in the freezer, freeze it a little bit, and then take it out. Well, I don't want that to bust, but that'll be what I drink in the morning. Then I've got some buttermilk ranch. You can use this for dips. You can also use it to put on your salad as well. You can use this in different types of sauces. Then I got some Parmesan cheese, which I can use on my casseroles. I can make Alfredo sauce with this. I can also make a seafood lemon sauce, which I'm going to do for this crab. Then I got some eggs. You can make quiche, you can make cakes, you can make cookies, all kinds of doughs, pastas, omelets. Then I got some broccoli. Broccoli is wonderful because you can make broccoli soup, you can eat it plain, you can roast it, you can put it in an Asian dish. We all did that Asian dish last night. That was great. Now, you see everything I got for $40. Now, it doesn't look like much, but if you plan well and get the right basic essentials, it'll go much further. You can make a lot of other dishes with what I got here. Now, I am going to go on a survival grocery haul, which I'm going to show you. It's coming up. I'll do that later today. You can get things from the store in bulk, and I'm going to show you what it's called, a survival pack. I'm going to show you how you do that. Most people advertise them, but not everybody does. So you got to ask. Ask the butcher, ask the main grocery guy, see what they do. And if they don't do it, maybe they know a store that does. Okay? So I hope I showed you something here that'll help. All right? Now, I want you to write to me at UncleChris@theFoodPantryChef.com and let me know what you guys need. If you need some help on something, let me know. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. All right? All right. So don't worry, I know the prices are going up, but let me help you plan a little better so that you can make your meals stretch and last, okay? I hope I'm being helpful, guys. Let me know if you got any questions, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.